Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I wanted to do a really quick unboxing for you guys. I just got my July Boxycharm box, and I've been trying to film the past couple of boxes for you guys, and they've just been coming in really late, and then to be honest, I've just been really lazy and not filming. So I wanted to try to post this as soon as I got the box instead of just holding on to it. So I just got it. I'm going to show you what I got. So normally, if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a beauty makeup subscription box. It's $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products. Usually they claim it that you get a palette every single month. I think since I've had Boxycharm and I've subscribed, which I want to say February, there was only the one box so far that did not come with a palette, but it came with such amazing products that you weren't going to hear me complain at all. So as soon as you open it, it gives you this little, what is this? Oh, this is, okay, I'm not going to look at it. It gives you a little, what is this called? Little paper postcard cardboard thing. I don't really know what these are called. I'm just completely drawing a blank, but it tells you the theme of the box. So this month is Au Naturale. I hope I'm saying that right, or it didn't come out weird. And on the back of it, it tells you everything you're gonna get. I'm just not gonna look at it. I will tell you the prices of everything after, and everything is on the back of this as well. So the first product is from Elemis, and it is a Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It says a nourishing prebiotic green mask. And yeah, it says apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. Okay, so, well, it's sealed. And it just looks like a light green. So I will try that out maybe after I wash all of this makeup on my face. The next product that I got is from Luxie, and I've noticed that they've been doing a lot of brushes with Luxie. I'm not complaining at all. Luxie brushes have been, I don't know if it's only I think the only Luxie brushes I have are the ones that I've gotten in Boxycharm boxes, minus the JD Wadey 180 Nose Perfecting Contouring brush, if you know what I'm talking about. That's the only one that I actually purchased on its own. But these are the 3 brushes right here. This one looks like a foundation brush. This just looks like a small definer brush. And this one just looks like a nice blender brush. So I will... Oh, I'm sorry, it says it on here. So this one is a Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending Brush. This small little guy right here is Luxie 246 Precision Crease. Really? Crease? Okay. And this one is the Luxie 510 Foundation Brush. I don't see this one really being a crease brush, but I mean, obviously you can use brushes wherever and however you want. I know I do. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so this is from Koh Gen Do, and this is their Cleansing Spa Water. Cleansing Water Cloth. So there are actually 10 makeup wipes in here. I've heard really good things about the foundations and about these cloths, but I haven't been able to find any in my area. And honestly, I mean, I'm not usually the type of person that goes looking for makeup wipes. I pretty much just stick to my Neutrogena wipes if I need a wipe and I'm just kind of in a rush. But yeah, I'm kind of excited to trying this. And then there are 2 products left. This one is from Luna by Luna, and this is in the shade Venus. It is a lip gloss. It literally just looks like a deeper neutral, well, for my skin tone, with kind of like yellow greenish gold flecks. I don't know if you're really going to be able to see it in the packaging, but it looks really nice, and we're just going to swatch it. It has a really, I like smelling everything. It has a really nice sweet scent, and it's actually a really nice neutral. If I shear it out, it's gonna look really good. I'm terrible at swatching. Yeah, I'm just gonna show it to you swatched out. It has a sheen, but I'm not seeing any shimmer. I'm not opposed to shimmer and glitter and glosses as long as it is finely milled and I do not feel the grittiness on my lips, because I definitely cannot stand that. Okay, and so the last product is from Butter London, and this was one of their first sneak peeks, so I was fully aware that I was going to be getting this. And I always get nervous every time I get a Boxycharm box, just hoping that I don't have any palettes that are cracked, so knock on wood. But yes, this is what it looks like. It looks like a beautiful, beautiful palette. There aren't, I mean, so with this palette, these 4 shades right here, there are shimmers, and then these 2 are mattes. So it just looks really pretty. Let's see, I'll just do a couple of swatches for you guys just so we can see what it looks like. Okay, I'm just gonna swatch everything for you guys. So that's what that looks like. I know the camera is probably not picking it up, but like I said, well, no, I didn't say. So the swatches look really nice. It is supposed to be more of a natural-ish palette, so I'm not expecting anything too crazy, too bright, but the pigmentation looks like it's all there, so it doesn't look like just because it's more natural that doesn't have good color payoff. I do want to swatch these 2 matte shades because they look really nice. So let's do this chocolatey brown first, and then this really nice teal. So there is a lot of kickback, which means lots of pigmentation, and that was so nice. Wow, that was like really, really nice. Okay, let me try to swatch the other 2. I'm sorry, the other 4 again. And see if I can do a better swatch for you guys, because I know I'm so bad at this. Okay, I think these, well, man, it still looks the same. Okay, well, in person, the swatches came out a lot better. I'm just really, really terrible at showing you guys these swatches, so I apologize. But yeah, I'm actually really excited to trying this out. I feel like I obviously would need there's some kickback, but anytime there are really pigmented palettes, that's usually the case with it. I've actually never used any Butter London products. Have I? Actually, I did use a lip gloss a while ago, I think when they first came out. I don't know if I liked it. I don't remember. I don't know. I think I maybe, I don't know. Maybe, I don't remember if I liked it. So let's just forget I mentioned that. But, what was I gonna say? Oh, so normally anytime I use palettes, I really like when there is a transition shade in there. But with this, there's not a transition shade, but I'll just pretty much use a bronzer or whatever I have. But I am looking forward to trying this palette out. I'm also really excited about the brushes. You can't have enough brushes, and I'm looking forward to trying this out as well. And the lip gloss is okay. I mean, it doesn't look like it's going to be anything spectacular, but you can never go wrong with a nude gloss. And the face mask, I like face masks, so I know we've been getting a lot of face masks in previous boxes, and I'm not complaining because I've really been enjoying all of them. So hopefully this video isn't too long. I feel like I've kind of been rambling on for a bit, but I really just wanted to get this video out for you guys and film it. If you guys want me to try out the palette and the lip gloss and the brushes on camera, I will be more than happy to do so. I probably might, just because it is really early in the month. And I know not everyone has already received their boxes. Like I said, the past couple of boxes have been coming a little late, so I kind of held off on doing an unboxing for you guys just because I feel like everyone already had their videos out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Sorry, really quick, I completely forgot that I forgot to tell you guys the price of every single product. So I have my little sheet right here. And the first, this right here, the mask was $35. The eyeshadow palette was $32. The 3-piece brush set from Luxie is $30 as well. The lip gloss, which is Luna by Luna in the shade Venus, in case I forgot to mention it. I'm pretty sure I did, but this was $18. And the Koh Gen Do spot cleansing water cloths, it's a 10-pack for $17. So this is definitely more than $100 value in this $21 box. But yeah, I hope that helps any of you guys who are wondering. I completely forgot, so sorry this is a little blurb, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try to use this palette and use a couple of products even in my past or previous Boxycharm boxes, since I know I didn't get a chance to post it. So in case some of you are wondering what I got, I can try to do a video just incorporating a bunch of products that way. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.